how to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. So if you want to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store. And after opening your Play Store or your App Store, in my case, it's the Play Store, you need to go with your search and search for Instagram. Now, if you have any updates under your Instagram, you need to just simply go with the update, which will be on the right side, on the top right. You can just simply go and update it. After updating your Instagram, you need to open up your Instagram application, go with your story, and then go and select a post or a photo that you would like to post. Now, if you have updated, then Instagram, with the newest update, has added the seconds for your Instagram story. Like, for example, if you go and select a music, like, for example, I'll just simply go with the first one, go with the arrow. Now, as you can see, on the left side, you will have the seconds right here. Tap on it, and you'll be able to choose more than 15 seconds, which is, you can scroll down, and you'll have 45 seconds. You just need simply tap on the clip duration and then scroll down and select the seconds that you would like to add. Like if you want to go with 30 seconds, you need to go and select 30 seconds. Or if you want less, then you can go with 10 seconds or 7 seconds. And once done, you need to go with done, which will be in the bottom. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to make your Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.